welcome back to Nadya's Notes, part 2 of the July 13th outing to the beach. I don't know why I'm giving you a date. It destroys the illusion that you're with me today, whenever today is. Darn it! Okay, now I know why people don't include dates, because they want to give you the opportunity to be with them on the day that you're watching the video. Meanwhile, if you say the truth, what date it is, then that changes it, doesn't it? You immediately realize that we're not here together, that I was here quite a while ago. And then that breaks our connection, unfortunately. How fragile are these connections then? If some little thing as time can break them so, what's the word? So, I don't know. Help me with the word. Anyway, when was the last time that you've been to the beach? I would love to know. Please post below. And if you want to share where, that's also very interesting. Oh, man. Even in the evening, the beach is a dream. The sound of the water, the way the water caresses one's feet. Let me show you. I need to tuck my skirt in so it doesn't get all wet. That's the aquarium on the right, and in the distance is the famous Coney Island. And here's the water. The water and not just feet. Ow. Da, da, da. And I'm back. We're back to Nadya's face. Okay. So I'm wearing a really long dress, and every time there's like slightly more water, it rides up my legs and onto my dress. And then I'm stuck with a wet dress hem. Oh. I wonder if we'll have some time to sit down and read a little bit. I don't know. I'm not sure. I also wanted to stop by the store and show you some of the Russian foods, which I love and highly recommend trying. For example, baked kefir. You know what kefir is? It's like a yogurt, a different type of yogurt, and then it's baked. That's delicious. It has like a caramelly color and flavor, but it's not sweet. It's slightly more sweet than the regular kefir. But it just has this, I don't know, an extra creaminess and an extra flavor, which is delicious. Ah, and it suddenly got darker. Did you see? People are swimming. Alright, hopefully I tied up my dress well enough. We'll see. I have no idea. I'm still holding it. Wow. La, la, la. The air is so fresh and humid, so clean, coming from the Atlantic. The water is really warm. I wasn't expecting it to be so perfect in temperature. Sometimes it's cold, it's not just it depends on, I guess, if cold water was swept to the city for some reason. There's some, yeah. Look, my sneakers are tied to my bag. Oh, I needed this. I really needed this. I didn't even know how badly I needed this until I got here, and how much I needed to walk in the water. And my feet touch the sand. Aw, so beautiful. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. People always think I'm filming them. I'm not. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Some kids were playing Big Wave Drowning, I think. Because the rest of them got scared and were like, are you okay? Oh, I think I see the ferry that we will take tomorrow from Far Rockaway. Yes, I do. Oh, that's... Wait. Yes, I do. Before I discovered, and this summer, that New York City has ferries, I've never known that. I knew about the Staten Island ferry, the huge one that goes to Staten Island. Manhattan, Staten Island, Manhattan, Staten Island, 24/7 it turns out. But then I discovered that there are other ferries. And I'm like, so impressed. I want to take all of them and document all of it and enjoy it. I've taken 3 of them. I didn't take any of them full way, like all the way from the beginning to the end of that line. I've done connections, but it will be interesting to do like the whole line in one go to see everywhere that a particular ferry goes to. And that's exciting because one ferry goes to like from the west side, so that's from the Hudson River to Staten Island in a different way than the Staten Island ferry does. Then another ferry goes from the bottom of Manhattan, from Wall Street to the beach at Rockaway, Far Rockaway. Another ferry meanders between Brooklyn, Queens, and Manhattan. And another one goes all the way up the side of the East River, all the way to the Bronx. So those are all very interesting. And then another ferry goes, I think, between Brooklyn and Manhattan. Like it makes 2 stops maybe in Manhattan and the rest are in Brooklyn, different parts of coastal Brooklyn. So that's also very cool. Anyway, it's definitely getting much darker and probably will become quite useless to film as the light goes down, as the light disappears. I think we still have lighting for filming because of Coney Island. Again, we're now to it. Oh, wow. See how light that is? Yay. I think on Fridays there are fireworks here. if I remember correctly, somewhere nearby. Quite a different view that way, right? Yay. Anyway, thank you so much for being here with me on my little walk at Coney Island on the beach. And I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you. Mwah.